Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing money in your bank account, even though you didn't work last night. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's called passive income. And today I'll show you 7 real ways you can make money while you sleep. You don't need to be rich or super smart to start. You just need a plan. So grab a snack and let's dive in. 1. Start a YouTube channel. Have you ever watched YouTube and thought, I could do that? Guess what? You really can. Starting your own YouTube channel is one of the best ways to earn money while you sleep. And no, you don't need to be famous or have a fancy camera. All you need is a good idea and a little time. YouTube is a place where people go to learn things, laugh, find help, or just have fun. That means you can make videos about almost anything. Do you like talking about money tips? Great. Do you enjoy telling stories, sharing life advice, or showing how to cook simple meals? Even better, there's an audience for everything. Now, how does this make you money while you sleep? Here's how it works. Once you make a video and upload it to your channel, it stays there forever. People can find it days, weeks, or even years later. And every time someone watches, YouTube can show them an ad. When that ad plays, you get a little bit of money. If thousands of people watch your videos each month, those little bits of money add up. To start earning from ads, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. That may sound like a lot, but if you post helpful or fun videos regularly, you can get there. And here's the best part, you don't even need to show your face. Many YouTube channels never show the person behind the videos. You can make videos using voiceover and pictures or slides, screen recordings, animations or whiteboard drawings, stock videos and music with text on screen. This style is called a faceless YouTube channel, and it's perfect if you're shy or just want to stay private. Some YouTubers also earn money by recommending products, called affiliate marketing, or selling ebooks and courses in their video descriptions. That's even more money on top of ads revenue. So remember, you don't need to be a star to start. Just be real, be consistent, and share something useful or entertaining. With time, your YouTube videos can work for you, even when you're sleeping, eating, or hanging out with friends. 2. Write and sell an ebook. Have you ever thought about writing a book? Maybe that sounds hard, like something only famous authors do. But here's the truth. Anyone can write an ebook. And yes, you can make money from it, even while you're asleep. An ebook is just a book in digital form. That means people can read it on their phones, tablets, or computers. You don't need a publisher, and you don't need to print anything. You just write it once, upload it to a website, and it's available to anyone in the world, 24/7. So what can you write about? You can write anything that helps, teaches, entertains, or inspires others. For example, a short guide on how to save money, a storybook for kids, a step-by-step tutorial on how to bake cakes, a motivational book for students, a simple how-to guide for starting a small business. Even if your book is only 20 pages long, it can still sell if it helps someone solve a problem. Now, how do you make money? Once your ebook is ready, you can sell it on websites like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Payhip, or Gumroad. You set the price, maybe $3 or $5, and every time someone buys it, you get paid. You don't have to ship anything or be online. The website takes care of all that. You can even write your ebook in Google Docs or Microsoft Word and save it as a PDF. Then just upload and start selling. And here's a bonus tip. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even a social media page, you can promote your book there. More people will see it, and more sales can happen. All while you're eating, relaxing, or sleeping. One small ebook won't make you rich overnight, but if you write several over time, your income can grow. Some people earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month just from books they wrote once and forgot about. So if you enjoy writing, teaching, or storytelling, try writing your first ebook. It could be your first step toward making money while you sleep. 3. Sell digital products. What if you could create something just once and sell it over and over again without doing any more work? That's exactly what happens when you sell digital products. A digital product is anything people can download and use. There's no box, no shipping, no store. Everything happens online. Here are some examples of digital products: a printable calendar or planner, a budgeting spreadsheet, a logo or resume template, music or sound effects, digital art or coloring books, Instagram post templates. Let's say you design a beautiful weekly planner using Canva. You upload it to a website like Etsy or Gumroad. Now, every time someone buys it, they get a link to download it. You don't need to print anything or send emails. It's all automatic. This is how digital products become a form of passive income. You do the work once, but the money keeps coming, even when you're sleeping, eating lunch, or on vacation. The best part? You don't need to be a pro designer. Many websites offer free tools and templates to help you get started. Canva, for example, is perfect for making printables or templates. Excel or Google Sheets is great for creating finance trackers. Even Google Docs can be used for making checklists or guides. Once you've created your product, you can sell it on Etsy, great for printables; Gumroad, easy to use and free; Payhip, free and beginner-friendly; or even your own website if you have one. And here's something cool. If one person buys your product, another person can too, and another. There's no limit to how many times it can be sold. Some sellers make thousands of dollars per month from just a few products. But even if you earn $50 or $100 a month, that's still money you didn't have to work extra for. So if you enjoy creating things, this is a great way to earn passive income. Think of what people need help with, and make a product that helps them. 4. Rent out a room or item. Let's talk about something super old school: renting. But don't worry, this idea still works in the modern world, and it can make you money every single month. Renting means letting someone use something you own, and they pay you for it. You're not selling it, you're just letting them use it for a short time. The most common type of rental income comes from property. If you have an extra room in your house, a guest house, or a small apartment you're not using, you can rent it out to someone who needs a place to stay. Websites like Airbnb make this super easy. You can post pictures, set your price, and people will book your space. Sometimes just for one night, sometimes for weeks. Now, what if you don't own a home or apartment? No problem. You can also rent things, like your camera, laptop, bicycle, or even your car. In some cities, you can rent out your parking space to people who need to park near their work or a busy area. Here's an example. You have a camera you don't use often. You post it on a local rental app or social media. Someone rents it for the weekend and pays you $25. That's easy money, and you still keep the camera. Or maybe you live in a busy city with no parking. If your home has a parking space but you don't have a car, you can rent that spot out every month. Rental income is great because it's recurring, which means you get paid over and over again. As long as someone is renting your space or item, the money keeps coming. Of course, you do need to be careful. Make sure you understand the rules in your area and always ask for a deposit or use a trusted platform to avoid damage or problems. So whether it's a room, a tool, or a parking spot, if you have something useful, chances are someone else needs it. Renting it out could be your new way to earn passive income. 5. Invest in dividend stocks. Now let's talk about investing. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple. One of the best ways to make money while you sleep is by buying dividend stocks. What's that? When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. Some companies share their profits with their investors. These payments are called dividends. So if you own shares in that company, they give you money just for holding onto their stock. Let's say a company pays $1 for each share every year. If you buy 10 shares, you get $10 per year, even if you don't sell the stock. And some companies pay dividends every 3 months or every month. This is how your money starts working for you. Now here's the magic part. If you take the money you earn from dividends and use it to buy more stock, your dividend income gets bigger and bigger over time. That's called compounding. You don't need a lot of money to start. Some apps let you invest with as little as $1 or $5. Look for apps in your country like Robinhood USA, Bamboo or RiseVest, Sharesies, New Zealand, eToro, Global. Not all stocks pay dividends, so you need to look for dividend-paying ones. These are usually large, stable companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble. Now, investing does come with risks. Stocks can go up and down, but many people use dividend investing as a slow, steady way to grow wealth, especially over 5, 10, or 20 years. The key is patience. Buy a little at a time. Don't panic if the price drops. Just hold your shares, collect your dividends, and watch your money grow. Some people live entirely off their dividend income. Imagine getting paid every month just for owning smart investments. That's real passive income. 6. Create an online course. Here's another great way to earn money while you sleep. Create an online course. Sounds complicated? It's not. If you know how to do something and can explain it clearly, you can teach it in a simple course. An online course is just a set of lessons, often in the form of videos, slides, or PDFs, where you teach someone how to do something step by step. You don't need to be a teacher or a genius. You just need to know more than the person watching. Think about something you're good at. Drawing or painting, playing an instrument, baking cupcakes, fixing phones, designing with Canva, teaching kids how to read. Any of these can become a course. Let's say you're good at editing photos. You could create a short course showing beginners how to edit using a free app. You record your screen, explain what you're doing, add voiceover, and save the video. Once it's done, you upload it to a platform like Udemy, Teachable, Gumroad, Skillshare. People from all over the world can find your course and buy it. And every time someone buys it, you get paid. It doesn't matter if you're online or asleep. The platform takes care of the payments, downloads, and access. Some people make just one course and earn from it for years. Imagine earning money next month from something you created today. That's passive income. You don't need a fancy camera. Many courses are just slides with voiceover. You can use free tools like Canva for slides, OBS Studio for screen recording, Audacity for voice recording. Once you publish your course, it's out there working for you 24/7. Of course, you can also promote it on YouTube, TikTok, or your blog to get more sales. And remember, your first course doesn't have to be perfect. Start small, keep it simple, and improve over time. The more courses you make, the more chances you have to earn. So, ask yourself, what do I know that others might want to learn? If you can teach it, you can sell it, and let it make money for you while you sleep. 7. Try affiliate marketing. Let's finish with one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income online, affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You recommend a product or service to other people. When they buy it using your special link, you earn a small commission. It's like helping someone sell something and getting a reward every time someone buys because of you. And no, you don't need to own the product. You don't need to ship anything. You don't even need to talk to customers. All you need is your link. Let's say you really like a book that helped you learn about money. You sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, get a special link to that book, and share it in your YouTube video description, blog post, or even on WhatsApp or Facebook. If someone clicks and buys, you earn a little money. Some companies pay 5%, 10%, or even 50% commission. For example, if you promote a $100 course and get 30% commission, you earn $30 for one sale. If you promote a $10 book and get 10%, you earn $1. But if 100 people buy, that's $100. There are many websites where you can find affiliate programs. Amazon Associates for books, gadgets, home items. ClickBank for digital products. Share a Sale, Impact, or Partner Stack for apps and software. Some companies even have their own affiliate program on their website. So how do you get people to click your link? You can make a YouTube video talking about the product. Write a blog or social media post recommending it. Create a list like top 5 budgeting apps and include affiliate links. Add links in your ebook, online course, or email newsletter. The best thing about affiliate marketing is that one good video or post can keep earning you commissions for months or years, as long as people keep finding and clicking your links. Just remember this important rule. Always be honest. Only promote things you truly believe in or have used. If people trust you, they'll be more likely to listen to your advice and buy through your links. Affiliate marketing takes time to grow, but once it starts working, the money really can roll in, even while you sleep. Final thoughts. So now you know, you don't have to trade time for money forever. With passive income, you do the work once and get paid again and again. Let's recap the 7 ideas. 1. Start a YouTube channel. 2. Write and sell an ebook. 3. Sell digital products. 4. Rent out a room or item. 5. Invest in dividend stocks. 6. Create an online course. 7. Try affiliate marketing. Start with just 1. Keep learning, be patient, and soon your money will start working for you, even when you're asleep. Thank you for watching till the end. For more educational videos like this, kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do well to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post another new video that might help your financial life.